Welcome back, everyone. It is a warm afternoon out here outside the 13 on Your Side studios. We're in the parking lot for Stuff the Bus event. Just saw Michael Behrens there doing a great interview, and I'm right in the middle of all of the donations that you have brought in. At least it's not raining today. It is a warm and humid one. Is that going to continue? 13 weather ball is green, no change foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And around the area, we've had these high clouds come in this afternoon. We did call for mostly cloudy skies today. The humidity is up. We've also got a little bit of haze in the air, but temperature-wise, we're up into the upper 70s to around 80. That layer of high clouds have put the brakes on our afternoon temperatures, which made it up into the low 80s. We're about the same, maybe a couple of degrees cooler compared to yesterday at this time. That haze is fooling you, though. You can still get a sunburn with that, but no rain here in southern lower Michigan, just these high clouds, and they're actually going to thin on out later this evening. So back to clear skies, but we're going to see a little bit of that wildfire haze. Now, you noticed off to the north, there are a couple of showers and storms that have popped up just along a cold front that's going to sneak down through the area overnight that may touch off a shower to the north very late tonight and tomorrow morning. We best show that on our graph model with the high clouds this evening, and they're going to thin on out. You notice the showers coming down late tonight, and then those are going to dissipate tomorrow morning. And then we've got a rain-free day coming up tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine, especially from mid-morning on all the way into tomorrow evening. We're going to see that front go back to the north as a warm front on Friday. That may trigger a shower in the afternoon, but the best chance for showers and storms will be still overnight Friday night into the wee hours of Saturday morning, and then Saturday we're going to clear things out. We got plenty of sunshine both Saturday and on Sunday. Dew points are going to kind of hover right around that 60-degree mark, shoot up on Monday when we have another real good chance of some showers and storms, and again perhaps next Friday. So still a lot of summer-like weather coming our way. As far as our long-range outlook, temperatures from the 15th through 19th, we have higher chances for warmer temperatures and higher chances for more precipitation during that 5-day period. Out of Lake Michigan tonight, we can expect hazy conditions with mainly clear skies for a while and then becoming overcast late tonight. Around Pentwater, there could be that shower or a thunderstorm all the way up toward Manistee, but not much of a chance. So the forecast, hazy conditions, low and mid 60s for overnight lows along the lakeshore. Northern part of our viewing area, around 60 to 62. Again, there's that chance of a late night shower. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see mostly clear skies later on tonight, a little hazy. Overnight lows in the low to mid 60s. 13 on your side forecast. So the rain will end late Friday night. I think we'll wake up to sunshine on Saturday and mostly sunny on Sunday. And next week we'll have a chance of showers, pretty good chance, on Monday, Wednesday afternoon, and again the following Friday. So yeah, those high clouds today, but still feels very warm and somewhat humid outside.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful night though to come out and stuff the bus for a few more hours.
You bet.
Our Stuff the Bus campaign is continuing, collecting school supplies for students in need here in West Michigan.
Yeah, outside, that's where we find Chief Meteorologist George Lessons live outside in the 13 on Your Side parking lot as folks are driving up with their donations. And George, looks like the weather is holding out.
It certainly is. We've got a lot of folks out here anticipating more folks driving in. It's always great to have them come through. I always like to ask, where they're from. A lot of them from the west side of Grand Rapids and from around the area. We appreciate you coming on by. 645 3 Mile Road near 3 Mile and Alpine. Stop on by. I think we're here until 8 o'clock tonight. I think that's what we're going to be doing here tonight. Is the weather going to hold off? Well, the 13 weather ball for your Thursday is green, no change foreseen.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Well, perhaps as you are outside walking the dog this evening, you'll see a few clouds around, but no rain for Sadie. Randy, Rita, it's going to be warm this evening, kind of humid. Humidity starts to go down a little bit overnight. We'll be in the mid 60s with some sunshine to start our day after these high clouds clear, and almost as much sunshine as we saw during the day today. So another great day to create green energy from the sun. Winds still not quite up there yet. They'll be a little bit breezier as we get closer to Friday. We've had these high clouds come through the area. That's put the damper on our temperatures just a little bit, but no rain here in West Michigan. Now to the north of us, you notice there are some showers and even a couple of rumbles of thunder over northern Lake Michigan. That's along a cold front that's going to kind of sag through the area tonight. So to the north, right around US 10, maybe a little bit further south of that, there could be a small shower later on tonight. But the rain to our south is staying away from us. Tomorrow morning there is a small chance of a shower until that front passes. Then back to some sunshine. We're going to clear out all of the clouds. We'll see some haze in the air, but we'll wait until Friday afternoon, and more likely Friday night for showers and storms to arrive. This is around 7 o'clock Friday evening, and those storms will rumble on through, and they'll be done in a couple of hours. And on Saturday, we've got plenty of sunshine expected here in West Michigan. Looking farther ahead, this is from August 17th through the 23rd, starting to get closer to that start of school. Temperatures returning to warmer than average. Average highs around 80 to 81, so no sign of fall anytime soon. And in terms of precipitation, the storm track's going to be out west and up north, so we have about an equal chance of seeing more or less rainfall during that 7-day period. Water temperatures out on Lake Michigan have recovered from some 60s yesterday, low and mid 70s now, including 76 there in the Grand Haven area. Tonight, a late night shower possible right around Ludington, maybe as far south as Hart, but further south, just clearing skies. Overnight lows in the low and mid 60s. Up north, again, chance of a late night shower around 60 along US 10, 62 elsewhere, and from Grand Rapids southward. A hazy night as these high clouds clear on out. Will be in the low and mid 60s. 13 on your side forecast. A little bit of haze in the air Thursday and Friday. That'll clear on out. A little breezy on Saturday as some of that humidity sticks around. Another chance of showers and storms on Monday, Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night, and the following Friday. Welcome back, everyone. We're out here outside the 13 on your side studios, and we're stuffing the bus. We can still use your donation. We'll be down here till 8 o'clock, 3 Mile and Alpine. Stop on by and we'll give you a little shout out and thank you. 13 weather ball tonight is green, no change foreseen to our temperatures coming up on your Wednesday. Still
The
no rain in
13
sight.
weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today down a little bit from yesterday because of the high clouds that came on in. Made it into the mid 80s up in Fremont. We stopped at 80 here in Grand Rapids. We thought we'd make it up to that Fremont temperature today of 84, just outside of our target range. We'll try to get back on track, or the temperature may actually go up this evening as the high clouds start to thin on out. These clouds are from showers that are not making it into lower Michigan here this evening. You notice off to the north, a couple of showers and storms over in northern Wisconsin near Sheboygan. That's out ahead of a cold front that's sneaking down into northern lower Michigan. All the active weather going to stay to our south and north overnight tonight. But as that front gets a little bit closer, there is a chance of a shower very late tonight along and just a little bit south of US 10 through tomorrow morning. See that clearly on our hour-by-hour forecast. You can see those storms off to the north, staying to our north this evening. Skies are actually going to clear on out, so we'll see thinning cloud cover. In the morning tomorrow, there might be a brief shower. I'm thinking just to the north and east of Grand Rapids. During the afternoon, however, lots of sunshine, some haze in the air, just like there was today. That's going to stick around for a while. Notice the wind's kicking around to the north, so that's going to dry our humidity out just a little bit tomorrow. And then it'll go back up on Friday. This is a warm front coming through on Friday morning. There might be a stray shower, but the activity is expected later on in the evening and overnight. There are going to be brief showers and storms, and then skies will become sunny during the day on Saturday. So all the way around, we're timing it just right. Dew points are going to hover right around that 60-degree mark and then go up on Monday when there's a pretty good chance of some showers, and again later on next week. Out on Lake Michigan here during the day tomorrow, you can expect partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. There's that brief shower around Whitehall Pentwater early on as that front goes through. And as the front goes through, the waves are going to build to around 2 feet by afternoon. So be careful out there. As far as our forecast, upper 70s north, around 80 in Muskegon, just shy of that in Holland and South Haven because that wind's coming down the lakeshore. Some haze in the air. Similarly up north, there might be that brief shower early on in the day, but then skies will become sunny, upper 70s to near 80. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, I think we'll stay dry with plenty of sunshine. Temperatures in the low 80s. 13 on your side forecast. A little bit breezy on Saturday with that northwest wind. 83 on Sunday, both of those days dry now. Showers and storms on Monday, Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night, and the following Friday.